Hi students, today we are starting our next topic of the chapter, that is segmentation. Body is externally and internally divided. In few animals, the form of segments by linear and serial repetition of some organs along the antero-posterior axis of the body. Segmentation originates in mesoderm but affects both ectodermal and mesodermal region of the body. In earthworm, the body pattern is known as metameric segmentation. Metameric segmentation means equal segmentation. Segmentation starts from platyhelminthes to chordates. Now here you can see on the screen, this is level of the organization, symmetry, body cavity or coelom, and these are phylums. Kingdom, as we know, unicellular and multicellular. Now this is the division of multicellular organisms. Level of organization in multicellular organism, cellular and other one tissue, organ or organ system. Symmetry is radial or bilateral symmetry. Body cavity or coelom. Without body cavity, they are known as acoelomate. They come under phylum Platyhelminthes. The organism, those who have cellular level, they represent phylum Porifera, means pores are present all around the body. Organisms, those who have radial symmetry, they represent the phylum Coelenterata and Ctenophora. Organisms, those who have bilateral symmetry but absence of coelom, they are known as acoelomate and they come under phylum Platyhelminthes. Aschelminthes organisms, they have the presence of pseudocoelom or false coelom and they represent phylum Aschelminthes. Then few organisms, those who have true coelom, they are known as coelomate animal and they represent phylum Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. Annelida means metameric segmentation, means equal segmentation. Arthropoda, arthro means jointed, legs, poda means legs. Mollusca, soft bodied animals covered by shell. Echinodermata, echino means spine, derm means skin, eta means present. Spines are present on the skin. Hemichordata, hemi means half, chordata means notochord, half notochord, and chordata, presence of notochord. Now we will study subphylum Vertebrata. It is divided into two divisions, that is Agnatha. A means absent, Gnatha means jaws. Jaws are absent. Gnathostomata, inside the mouth, jaws are present. Agnatha. It has class Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata. Mouth is in the form of cycle. Cycle means wheel of cycle. Stome means mouth. Eta means present. So mouth is in the form of the cycle. Now Gnathostomata, those who have presence of jaws inside their mouth, they are divided into two superclasses, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces means fishes. Tetrapoda means four legs. Tetra means four, poda means legs. Now here in Pisces two classes are there. Chondrichthyes. Ichthyes means fishes, cartilaginous fishes, and cartilage is soft bone. Osteichthyes. These fishes, they have the presence of bones. Osti means bones. Tetrapoda. They have four classes. Amphibia. Bia means animals. Amphi means both the places. Animals, those who stay on land as well as in water. Reptile, creeping animals means रेंगने वाले animals. Aves यानी birds. Mammals means the organism with presence of mammary glands. Now here we will see main feature, which is the identity of the particular phylum organism. Porifera. Pori, pores are present. Fera means all around. Pores are present all around the body. Coelenterata, presence of coelentron. Eta means present, coelentron means cavity. Ctenophora, cteno means comb plate, presence of comb plates. Platyhelminthes, helminthes means worms. These worms, they have the presence of plates. SK helminthes, these are the worms which are in the form of the thread. SK means thread. Annelida, metameric segmentation. These organisms have equal segmentation of the body. Arthropoda, poda means legs, arthro means jointed, jointed legs. Mollusca, soft-bodied animals covered by hard skeleton. Hemichordata, half notochord. Hemi means half, chordate means notochord. Pisces means fishes. Cyclostomata, cyclo, mouth is in the form of cycle. Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes means soft bone. Osteichthyes, bony fishes. Amphibia, organisms those who stay on land as well as on water. Aves, birds. Mammals, presence of mammary glands to feed young one. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.